Glide made me feel like a programmer. With Glide, it gives me the tools to make my ideas possible. Hey, my name is Joseph Linson. I'm the co-founder of Corner Juice here in Charlottesville, Virginia. We are a fast casual juice and smoothie bar here with sandwiches and all sorts of healthy eats. I was a graduate of the University of Virginia's McIntyre School of Commerce. Right after graduation, I kind of went a different route than most. I opened a restaurant called Roots Natural Kitchen. In our journey, we realized that Charlottesville was devoid of healthy food, but there just wasn't much available. So that led us to open Corner Juice back in 2017. Corner Juice has two locations, both here in Charlottesville, Virginia. Really, it's the community that's helped us grow. We've had these loyal customers who come 2-3 times a day even. Without them, we couldn't be where we are. We were looking to build a hiring solution that allowed us to screen and hire new applicants without actually being able to meet them, which was a problem created by the pandemic. So using Glide, we were able to create a powerful applicant tracking software that was significantly more informative than the traditional resume, especially for the hospitality industry where soft skills are much more important. So using Glide, we were piecing together a few different pieces of software that were out there. We were able to create this applicant tracking software that was far better than anything I had seen on the market. It's almost 2 years of developing this tool that does everything that we were doing, just helps us do it a lot quicker. Here's just one use case. We're able to effectively use Glide to inform production. Basically, our forecasted sales come in here. We will then know how much of each produce to prep. We have all of our totals, all of our batching numbers. So this really allows our team to make informed decisions when producing based on demand. So this is kind of the home base for managers. And it also reflects where we do a lot of our training here in the resources tool. But on a high level, this is what we want everyone to see when they come to work every day. What are the points of focus? What are the to-dos, the major projects that need to get done, as well as a notepad and performance tracking. So all of our projects can be assigned to individuals. We have deadlines, we have due dates. This allows us to hold each other accountable and really track our progress on these projects, as well as an idea bucket, because we really think that there's no such thing as a bad idea. We want to hear everyone's ideas. All of our applicants come in through here. This gives us all the information that we need. From there, these buttons allow us to streamline that process. And then, we have an interview calendar, new hires, and everything that flows into our team here, which allows us to track performance. The resources tool is really great. It's kind of been, we call it our academy. This is what all of our new hires see when they start at Corner Juice. Glide made me feel like a programmer. With Glide, it gives me the tools to make my ideas possible. And it's so cool to continuously learn and be challenged by something that we have complete control over. We're literally building this in-house ourselves. And that sort of control and limitlessness is so exciting. It's something that we continue to wish to use and are very grateful that Glide exists.